8-quart dispenser makes dispensing wild bird feed or sunflower seeds easier. 3.5-quart dispenser is perfect for thistle seed and tube feeders. Flip lid and pour spout make feeding fun and saves feeding the ground. Keep seed in the original bag so brand and nutritional info is maintained or pour into container. BPA free, made in the USA. Enjoy the birds, but not the feeding? Make it fun and easy with this popular set of large, small containers with lids. The flip lid allows for scooping and the pour spout allows you to fill your feeders without mess and spilling. Keeps seed fresh and this combo handles all seed sizes. Best to store containers indoors because squirrels are clever creatures. Buddeez is a proud manufacturer of durable and innovative storage products in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. XLNT. The hubby does the chore of filling the bird feeders. He is very pleased with these, gets the job done so much better than the funnel he was using. Sturdy, works like a charm. We've had no problems with lid coming off. The hubster, who fills the bird feeders, want to give a super 2 thumbs up after a few weeks more of using these. He especially appreciates the no fuss, no mess with these. The small for the Niger seeds, the larger for the combination seed. He says, buy these, don't mess with any others.